Meaning of hush money.
Hush money.
Hush money.
Hush money.
Hush money. Hush money refers to a sum of money paid to someone so that they keep quiet or stay silent about something, often illegal or embarrassing. It is typically used to prevent information from being made public or used against the payer. The recipient may be a witness, victim, or employee who has knowledge of criminal or unethical behavior. Hush money can be seen as a bribe and is generally considered unethical and potentially illegal. Its use may come with legal consequences depending on the circumstances in which it was given and received.